Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am walking through the Dollar Tree. Not really looking for anything, but hoping to find some goodies. That's a cute little hat. So hopefully you guys will want to come with me. I always like these cups like this. The purple, black, and orange. They even have the smaller ones too. This display, they have all the candles. They still have those little candle holders, the hands, and these little pumpkin candle holders right here. You got these skull, look like shot glasses. That's what they could be used for. They're clear, I like those. They got these right here with the haunted house on it and a tree, and they also have that in green, like a graveyard. Oh, I like this one down here with the ghost on it. That's cute. Oh, they put out their glass tea light holders. I love this like burgundy color right here. They have this pretty like brownish gray kind of color. They got the clear, and they have that pretty orange. They also have the rose collection candles out. This one is Luxe Linen. That's the fragrance for fall. I like that one. Let's see. I see Vanilla Chai. Give thanks. I like how they put the little pumpkins on there. And then look at this one. It's called White Birch. Why did I say winter? White Birch. That's pretty too. That's really cute. And I think I see one more over here. This one is, oh, it's the White Birch. I didn't turn it all the way around. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. Okay, over in this section, they put out more of these plates that I just showed you guys. The Grateful. They have out their placemats. And I showed you guys most of this stuff already, but look at these. I didn't see these. Pie's the limit. Okay, I like that. Eat ham instead of eat turkey. Eat ham. That's funny. Let's see what else there is. Oh, that is cute. It's a pumpkin pie recipe. Okay, I like that. And then the last one I see says Hello Fall. They always got some cute flower sack towels. Wait, which one was that? Oh, the Pie's the Limit. It has little pictures of pies all over it. I didn't notice that. That's cute. Oh, they added some new photo albums. They kind of look like they would be for fall just because of the colors. Be Your Own Beautiful. You got this plaid one. Look at that with the owls and the flowers. And you get 48 pockets in these, or you can get the plain color in green, orange, and yellow. Okay, over in this section, they have a lot of little stuff. They restocked those animals. All of those. The little trees down there. More of the flower pots. And then look at these up here. Little piggy banks. This one is shaped like a bear. You got a pink pig, a blue pig, and I believe that's a sloth. That is so cute. They still have these out. And these. And then over here they got these cute little signs. Ceramic signs. That one says family. You have faith, friends, and forever. I like those. Oh, I haven't seen these before either. Look at that. It has like an ombre blue, navy blue, and then they also have turquoise. Then there's clear too. On this display they got some cute like blue stuff. This is some cute barrettes that look like tie-dye or denim. They have these. It says fashion accessories with the blue polka dots. Or this one. Looks kind of like satin. And then you got these headbands right here with the blue bow on it. So you got light blue or dark blue right there. I see a few new socks right here. You got some burgers. Those cute little cupcakes. Look at those faces. Some pizza. We saw these before, the little sloths. And then look at that. A little lamb. I think that's what that is. And then I also see this unicorn up here. What else did I see? These little leopard print ones right here are cute. You get 2 pairs. The other one is stripes. Or even these. Look at that. Those are cute too with the stripes. Oh, look over here. They even have a sushi pair. Oh, those are cute. I think I'll get these. Let me see. Was there anything else? Nope, just some sushi back there. Some more sushi and pretzels. Oh wait, see, I keep looking around, and then here's some up here with some chicken and some waffles. That's funny. Over here in this hair section, they got the bows that look like that. They have the clip on the back. I see gold, that black one with the sparkles in it, and a pink one. Okay, you guys, that is it for the Dollar Tree today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll talk to you all in my next one. Okay, bye.